y'all, welcome to my channel. It's Precious the Angel, and this video is how to do the butterfly locks. If you want to know how I did these butterfly locks on myself, by myself, keep on watching. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and like the video if I helped you out, and dislike it if I didn't help you out. Hello everyone, it's me, Precious the Angel, and today I'm going to be attempting to do butterfly locks. This is not really a tutorial because this is my first time ever doing the butterfly locks. I'm only recording this because I posted that I was going to try and attempt it, and some of my followers said they wanted a video, so here I am. So I really hope it's not a fail because this hair was a little expensive. One pack was like $6.99, so $7, and I got like 8 packs, so like it was up in the 50s. So I really hope this works out, and I'm doing it myself because I don't want to pay $150 to do my hair, and it looks easy. But anyways, I got the Fretress water wave hair. It's in the 22 inch and it's the 1B. I'm not really going to be doing them long, but I just got the 22 inch. And I also got the Afro twist braid Marley style hair, also in the color 1B from the Janet collection. This is from their online website, and I got this because a lot of people said that it didn't feel tight enough in the beginning and they would go around and rewrap it to make it tight enough. So instead of wasting this hair, I just got this hair, at least expensive one, to kind of make it tighter. So we're just gonna jump right in because I don't want to talk a lot, so we're just gonna jump right in and start parting. I'm gonna use Edge Wax by Marae's because I don't want to use my edge booster, because if you know, edge booster is so expensive. So we're gonna have to just save that for the edges and use this for the parts. So I finished my first part. So now I'm gonna split it into the sections and braid it, and then I need to use the mirror and the other mirror in order to part all of my hair and braid it into the sections. So once I finish parting and braiding all the sections, I'll be back to actually start the butterfly locks. Okay, so you need to section, braid, and then start putting the hair in. Alright guys, so I'm back with my hair in the braids for the locks and parted. So advice for doing the braid part of this process is to not use rubber bands because you're gonna use a crochet needle anyway. So if you use a crochet needle and you put rubber bands, it's like no point, your hair is gonna be too tight. Also, I left my edges out so that I can like lay my edges and give it like that look that I want. And I also parted according to like where my hair naturally parts at times. So if I want to do a side part, I can do it like this, and if I want to do a middle part, I can do it like that. So make sure you part it according to how you would like to wear your hair. So now I'm about to start crocheting the hair in. I wanted to come on camera and show that I've done my first lock. Before anybody asks, I have 40 mini braids in my hair in total, and doing this one was a struggle. So once I get the hang of it, then I'll come and show the process that I'm using. You can see I'm almost done with my hair now, and I'm just going to show you the routine that I finally gained and what has been working for me. So the first thing I do is I put my crochet needle in, and then I put the curly hair in just as is. I take 2 pieces of the curly hair and put it in, and then I put it through, and I just pull only one side through here like that. And then once I get it through, I open it up. Just open the curls up. When you open the curls up before you put it in the crochet hook, it makes it hard for your hair to go under. And if you put the hair in and then try to put the crochet hook in, it just doesn't go in. So then I take the hair I got from the Janet collection, the Marley twist Afro Kinky hair. I take that and I do this to secure the hair. I noticed that when I don't do this, it looks very loose. And I noticed that when I tried to put the Afro Kinky hair in the crochet with it and then try to twist it that way, it just didn't work either, and the hair ended up getting loose. So this is the best way after all the trial and error I did. So after I twist it and there's barely any left, I put my hair in the crochet hair right there, and then I take the other pieces of the crochet in here, and I start wrapping. Remember, I said wrapping. There's a difference between wrapping and twisting when it comes to this, because I was twisting some of them and it didn't turn out as cute. So remember to take the hair and wrap it. Now, people put their thumb through the hair to give it that messy look. I don't do that because, one, when I did that, I feel like the hair was looking too messy for me, and I just feel like the hair becomes messy as you go, so you don't have to do that extra stuff, if that makes sense. You'll see what I'm talking about. So I keep wrapping. Once you get to the length that you want, I'm not there yet, but once you get to the length you want, you grab the hair and you put it back up. You twist the same way you were twisting before. Remember to twist the same way you were twisting before, because if you do not twist the same way you were twisting before, the whole thing that you've already done will untwist. Trust me. That has happened to me. So I just keep going up, and as you can see, it's already like giving that messy look once you go up. I feel like you don't need to if you want to put your thumb through it and do like that thumb technique, you can, but I haven't been doing it because I feel like it's already messy enough. Once I feel like the hair is secure, then I take my thumb out from keeping the hair the length I want, and I finish wrapping it. See, it already gave that messy look without me using my thumb. And I'm gonna do this one without talking, so y'all can just watch. that was my last one. All right, guys, so this is the results from my butterfly locks. I hope you guys enjoyed watching my video. I'm gonna show you guys the back. All right, so thank you for watching again. Subscribe to my channel. Give me a like if I helped you out and a dislike if I didn't. Thank you. Bye.